has changed over the years when it comes to the dress code for the office? Gone are the strict rules in some companies, and things are a little bit more flexible and fashionable. And who better than stylist Kristia Franklin, the clothes girl herself, to take us through a few styles. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome home.
Well, thank you.
Of course. So there are some companies that have allowed us to, stretch.
Yeah, and be more comfortable in our own skin.
Right. And those companies, I'm sure, are very productive. So I know that you are allowing us to go through a few this morning.
A few different looks.
We'll go from step to step to step. All right, so our first model that we're going to look at comes from what type of genre?
So she's like a production assistant. She's a stylist like myself on set. And when you're a stylist on set, you want to be as comfortable as possible. You just want to get the job done. You want to be easy breezy. You want to have uncomfortable shoes, so no heels, nothing like that. You just want to be comfortable so you can get the job done.
Oh, fantastic.
And she's still a professional.
All right, well, come on out, PA. Let's take a look. We can have our PAs come around and take a look at possible outfits. All right, well, this is what our PAs look like most of the time,
you have, right? There's a fanny pack to put all your things in, you're comfortable, your jeans, your sneakers.
That fanny pack is very cute. I've never seen one like that before.
Thank you very much.
Because it don't look like a fanny pack. That's very nice. And of course, it's simplicity.
Yeah. And just being comfortable. I mean, you can throw in some cute earrings to be like, hey, I'm the stylist on set. But, it's all about being comfortable. Yes,
fantastic.
For sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And of course, when we work in a job like that one, comfort is important. But suppose you're not one of those people who always want to dress down. How would you kind of spice that up a little bit?
Okay, it can be the same PA. Next model. So she's like a makeup artist on set now. So of course she's a little bit more stylish.
Hey.
She doesn't mind the heels. She'll rock them all the time. She doesn't really care about that. She's all about style while getting her job done.
Great.
So this is like what a makeup artist would wear.
So this is a step up from PA in terms of comfort, in terms of what they're about.
Because makeup artists love to wear black.
Yes, they tend to do that. Why? Because they get a lot of makeup on their clothes.
So they want to be black, but they still want to be stylish.
Nice.
And same kind of role, but still a professional, just not in jacket, pants.
Right. Fantastic. All right, and so we're going to go a step up from that, and we're going to go with a little semi-corporate.
Yeah, this is semi-corporate, so probably this is somebody who does like interior decorating or they do something like that, and she has meetings, so she still wants to be stylish.
Very nice.
But she's not in complete office wear.
Yes. Very nice.
Yeah.
So it's a level of comfort, but it still is not just casual.
Yeah, it's not just casual. It's the fabric itself. That's another key in terms of being professional, in terms of the type of fabric. So like that type of fabric is considered corporate type of fabric.
Really? You have a fabric that's considered corporate?
Yeah, because cotton isn't really that professional.
Oh, because it looks more casual
than...
Yeah,
it looks more casual. So if you're wearing a jumper like that, let's just make sure that the fabric is the right fabric.
Fantastic.
Yes, girl, there's like some maths to this thing.
I realize I'm learning,
yeah,
and we're going a step up from that corporate to a little more corporate.
Yes, so now this person actually works in an office. So this is stylish, but still works in the office. Still has her 9 to 5, still works behind her desk, but she's cute while doing it.
Aye.
Yeah. Very cute.
She step out. Aye. Come back a little bit, make us see a little more of the outfit, no man, your belly, make us see it. Aye.
She just give us a spin. Just a little peek, right?
And that's a very comfortable outfit.
Yeah, so it's still comfortable. Still can be worn
after you eat lunch, nothing to squeeze your belly, you're still comfortable.
Very important.
It's still comfortable. Right? And last but certainly not least.
Last is full corporate, boss babe kind of vibe.
Yeah. She's at the top of the ladder. She have her money.
Yes.
If she not have it, she fake it well. Yeah.
Yes, all the reports are sent to her.
Woo!
She just signs, seal and delivered.
She's the one sitting around this desk.
Yeah, she's the one around that.
She's the one sitting around this desk. That's fabulous.
Yes,
I love that.
She's very
and of
stylish.
course, you've given a really wide range of outfits here.
So they're all professional ladies. They're just dressed differently.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And of course, we can have you style us if we don't have any sense of style
ourselves.
I'm
always. We're not finishing. I'm a model today.
So you're a model.
Yes. So I'm the model that comes to work on Friday.
Right.
Ready?
This is your Friday, girl.
This is my Friday.
I like your shoes, Friday, girl.
You don't like my top too?
Yes, sir. Yes. And of course, all those.
So I'm a Friday model. So my jeans and my nice top.
Yes. Of course. Ready? Okay. And I don't know how often we could get away with those sleeves. But I love them.
Thank you.
Fantastic. And of course, when doing something like this, we can always come to you, as I said. Where do we find you?
at Tia Clothes Girl on Instagram. So it's at Tia Clothes Girl. Very easy to remember.
And she has some really nice stuff, guys.
Yes.
Really
and
really
guess
nice
what?
stuff.
I have something else. I have a surprise for you. I know it's your birthday
Hey.
tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
See you
good
there.
day. So this is a gift.
Thank you so much.
It's a gift from all of us to you.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate
Happy birthday
it.
tomorrow.
Thank you so much, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I love birthdays, especially mine. Thank you so much, my darling.
welcome.
Please go find her. She is at
Yes.
Tia Clothes Girl, and she has the most amazing rompers you've ever seen.
Thank
so go
you.
get yourself some clothes. Look nice at work, please.
Yes, please.
I know all the
Let's
time
be
we like
fun.
seeing you look pop down. Stylist Kristia of Franklin and my present. We're gonna go for a break. We will be right back.